Good evening. It was expected to be a volatile session and the markets didn't disappoint on that score, with the key indices fluctuating through the budget speech before slumping in late afternoon trade. Today's eventful trading session came on the heels of a bad session on Thursday. As if the disappointment on the RBI policy review was not enough, market players had to contend with a union budget that fell short of expectations. The sentiment gyrated wildly today as Finance Minister went about his job of announcing various budget proposals. He finished his budget speech at around 1 pm. At that point, the market was trading positive but suddenly surrendered all of the day's gains post 2 pm on the back of some selling pressure seen in banking stocks, oil and gas, and power stocks. The BSE Sensex was down by 209 points to close at 17,466 and the NSE Nifty was down by 63 points to close at 5,318. Technically, the Nifty managed to engulf the dodgy star appearing in the prior week. This move has reinforced a bearish view on the Nifty. Selling pressure is likely to worsen and the index might test the intermediate bottom of 5,170. Already on daily charts, an appearance of evening star pattern on Thursday had confirmed a trend reversal below 5,390 levels, and the same will now turn into a major resistance. The BSE Midcap further slipped the index by 0.7%, while the BSE Small Cap Index was lower by 1.1%. The union budget has not gone down particularly well with the markets and investors, who were perhaps looking for a little more by the way of fiscal consolidation to give the RBI room for reduction in interest rate next month. The fiscal deficit estimate of 5.1% of GDP for FY13 is better than the final 5.9% of GDP for FY12. However, the government might find it tough to meet this goal given the political resistance to any rationalization of subsidies. Sticky crude oil prices might also add to the fiscal stress. The disinvestment forecast and projections on revenue receipts may also fall short in the case the economy fails to revive. With most big events of the month behind now, the Indian markets would focus on the global markets and liquidity flows. The next month's annual policy by the RBI will be the near-term trigger. It remains to be seen how the central bank views the budget, particularly the announcement on fiscal consolidation and subsidies. Till then, the market indices are likely to be choppy and range-bound. The Nifty may trade between 5,150 to 5,400. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.